Kailan ang best time to avail of a Pag-ibig housing loan? Good question po. Sige, may good answer tayo sa question na ito. Please watch the full video. Ito na po. Unang-una, sir and ma'am, merong three facts about Pag-ibig housing loan. Number one, Pag-ibig Fund disbursed 77.33 billion in home loans from January to August 2024. Number two, the amount of home loans released by the agency within the period enabled 54,063 members to acquire or improve their own homes. Number three, Pag-ibig Fund has been a dependable partner for Filipino workers in fulfilling their dreams of home ownership through affordable shelter financing. Two thumbs up, Pag-ibig Fund. Laki po ang tulong ninyo sa mga Filipino workers na wala pang bahay. And maganda po yung financing ninyo kasi from that, ang mga workers natin ay maka-housing loan and acquire their own homes. So hindi na sila magrenta, makabili na sila ng sarili nilang bahay, lot purchase, house construction, home improvement, pwede rin condo unit, and kung may pabenta na bahay sa kapitbahay, wala silang pera, pwede sila manghiram sa Pag-ibig Fund. Right? So, balikan natin ang question kanina. So, kailan ba ang right time na mag-avail ng Pag-ibig Housing Loan? Answer. So, may tatlong answer tayo. Number one, interest rates remain low. Tama po. Napaka-low po ang interest rate ni Pag-ibig Fund compared sa bangko or other financing ng housing loan. Kasi as low as 6% po yan. Number two, loan terms continue to be affordable. Tama po, yung loan terms po up to 30 years, if I'm not mistaken, depende sa age ng borrower. So, from that, maliit lang po ang monthly amortization if ma-maximize yung loan term. And number three, borrower friendly. Opo, kasi yung mga Filipino workers na minimum wage ay maka-avail po ng housing loan. Pasok sila dito sa housing loan ni Pag-ibig. So lahat ng mga employees na maliliit yung sahod, average yung sahod, tsaka malalaking sahod, pwede sila maka-avail ng housing loan ni Pag-ibig. If you are interested, visit Pag-ibig office, inquire more about this. Kasi this is the right time or best time na mag-housing loan sa Pag-ibig. Ngayon na, this year 2024. Wala pong problema ang financing ni Pag-ibig, may pera po si Pag-ibig. Anytime po ma-approve yung housing loan ninyo as long as kumpleto po yung requirements and 2 years member kayo ni Pag-ibig. No worries po sa membership, pwede po i-one-time payment ang 2 years if hindi kayo 2 years pa. So, alright. Hope na nasagot natin ang question. Keep watching my YouTube channel. Lahat ng concerns about Pag-ibig, GSIS and employees concerns, sasagutin natin sa channel natin. Please like, share this video, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you, God bless, and two thumbs up.